Alright, fire up the old teriyaki turbo soy toy. Let's see here, get it going, warming up here. There it goes. Looks like there was frost on the car again, or ice, one of the two, which is really crazy.
Why is that crazy? Because I live in Florida. There should be no ice. It has been ridiculously cold. But it is what it is. I gotta get the show on the road because I'm already late. I also want to show you all something at work. A couple things, a couple updates, stuff going on behind the scenes that I'm really excited about.
Let's go ahead and get to work and get the day started. Oh, look. Home sweet away from home. I mean, it might as well be. I'm here enough. Alright, it's all for a good reason. I'm about to show you why. A lot of hard work been going into place and starting to finally pay off a little bit. I'll show you here. Let me get out of the car. Let me get started with my day and we'll continue on with the video. Alright. Morning duties. Plug it in, plug it in. That's out of the way. Move on to the more fun stuff. Here in just a short few weeks, we'll be attending, well, I don't know if it's going to be a we or an I, and that's what I'm waiting. By we, I mean me and the owner, or just I, because it's just the owner's not sure if he will be available. But anyways, the important details are that it's a Cars and Coffee like event that's going to be taking place that we're looking to attend because we're kind of using it as an opportunity to get ourselves out there. The event's called Middleton Motoring Festival. I believe. I could have botched that. I'll make sure I correct myself on the screen.
Yeah, buddy, you botched that just a little bit, but here I'm going to show you the real details. If you go to the Obsessed Garage Facebook page and you scroll down, you can find the information for this show. So it's called the Middleton Motor Show. I was close, but not quite there. It is going to be February 28th from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm not really sure what it is. I know they're just doing this mainly for promotion of their new brick and mortar location. This is like a picture of it. It's going to be a showroom and whatnot for all that they do and maybe retail locations. There's going to be plenty of cars to look at. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of high-end stuff, but also just your everyday cars, people rolling up. So yeah, February 28th, 1 to 8. I'm going to be there, hopefully with the tracker and the owner of Honest Autos. If not, I'm going to be there as myself, promoting Honest Autos on the side with Karz Created. If you don't know where Middleton is, it's actually a new part in the Villages. I'm going to show you right here. So if you come down here, it's in Central Florida, of course. This is where it's going to be, in this shopping district right here. So of course you can see all the parking spaces on the interior. They got parking spaces over here, and they got parking spaces that line the streets both side and auxiliary lots all over the place. I'm not sure how much parking they will have, but I assume it's going to be a lot. So this is where you're going to want to go, Middleton in the Villages. So don't forget your loofahs.
But we're looking to go there. We're looking to go there to promote ourselves and our up-and-coming YouTube channel. If it's not we, it's definitely going to be an I, because I'm always on the hunt to make connections and meet people. And not only are these people from Obsessed Garage going to be there, but one big name in particular that, whether you like him or not, you can't deny the fact that he's a bona fide car guy. That is no other than Jay Leno.
Welcome to another episode of Jay Leno's Garage.
Yeah, you heard me. Jay Leno. Wasn't a super big fan of his talk show, but obviously I appreciate his enthusiasm as a car guy and his efforts to, preserve history. That's where I connect with Jay Leno, and he's going to be there. So it'd be cool to shake hands with Jay and just be able to meet him, someone on the upper echelon of car people. But that's not the main goal, because I'm not sure how that's going to roll. The main goal is to at least get there. I'm either going to be driving the Geo Tracker, which here it is. We're kind of getting some stuff done, Not too much has been done as of now. It's kind of been thrown on the back burner, which is why I'm not sure if we're going to make it or not, because this has quite a few things that needs done and only a few weeks to do it, and I don't even think we have parts in yet, so we'll see. But I was either going to be driving that or driving the Elantra, so we'll see kind of where it goes. And that's all happening in the background. In the foreground, it's just business as usual, which is kept me very busy, which is why I haven't been able to make videos, you know, like I would like to be. Couple good things. I've been busy, but I've also, the busyness is good because it's allowing me to build up some savings. The savings can be for a project car, but that's slowly building back up, and I have yet to find another car that I'm looking for worth even moving on. They're few and far between. But I will say I do have another car, or soon I will. It's not finalized yet, but it's pretty much a done deal. And that car actually happens to be on this lot. Hell, that car could actually be somewhere around here. I mean, realistically, that car could be somewhere along here. Which one do you think it is? One of these cars is going to be in my possession, and one of these cars is going to make for great videos. And that's all I'm going to say about that. That way I can leave my poor Elantra alone. Because it's alright. It's doing what it needs to do. I got 99 problems, and thankfully, this isn't one of them yet. Thinking about all the things that I have to look forward to. You know, it's been really tough to get content out. I've gotten a few things out, but nothing crazy. It's just so much is in the pipeline, I just don't have the time or energy to do it. Finally got this Lexus up and ready, and Camaro. We actually have two Camaros now. I thought we were getting another Mustang, but that fell through. We had two Mustangs, sold them. We have two Camaros now. We actually had three Camaros at one point, and not one of them is a proper Camaro. And again, not one of the Mustangs we had were proper Mustangs. We almost had a nice, I think it was a 2014 California Special, manual, Coyote. Oh, it would have been nice, but nope. That fell through. Guy ended up selling it somewhere else, and we lost the car. Got this 2021. Looks pretty dang good. I mean, it's a good looking car. Just, you know, a lot of people don't like the front end on these. I actually don't mind it. Really don't. It kind of reminds me of something. Can't really put my finger on it, but it kind of reminds me of a car that I do like. Yeah, it's probably nothing. Man, I just can't wait. I can't wait to get started and have a lot more fun. Right now, it's just kind of been the daily grind. It's fine, but I miss having fun. You know, I can't make videos the way I'd like to. I have to make videos doing bits and pieces here and there, and then stitch them together over weeks of time. Basically doing it in between work on the weekends, and it's not an enjoyable way to do it, and it makes it really hard to edit because then I have a lot of inconsistencies. Seriously, look what just happened. I couldn't even finish that video in one day. This is the next day. See, look, I'm wearing different clothes. Now my hair's different. You get my point. All right, back to my old stuff so I can finish up the video. I'm not gonna complain about it because, like I said, it's bringing a lot of good stuff necessary for me to grow this channel. I'm a single man show. I have no team, I have no friends, I have no help. It's just me, myself, and I just trying to live the dream. And I would love to make friends. I would love to have help, and eventually I'll get there, but I'm not there yet, so it's a slow process. As they say, Rome wasn't built in a night, and as the cookie crumbles, neither does anything I'm trying to do. But it's otherwise going to wrap it up here for the video until some of the next things come along. We'll have to wait for those, but otherwise, let me know what you think. Put your thoughts in the comments. If you want to join the car show thing going on in Middleton by Obsessed Garage, I'll link the information somewhere in the video, maybe up here or in the description, and you can check it out. I'm going to be there regardless, and it's going to be a fun time. But if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone you know. If you want to see more content like this and you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Keep a lookout for next Karz Created video.